Okay guys, welcome back to the motherfucking channel. So Makartt has done it again. They popped out with 3 new polygel kits. This is the first one I'm going to show you guys. I'm not really going to be using this one in my design today, but I still wanted to show it to you. It's a really simple kit. So this is the Boutique Florist Dry Flowers and Nail Extension Gel Kit from Makartt. Okay, so there is a huge clear extension gel in here, or clear polygel, and this is 50 milliliters, and then you get all these dried flowers. I love this that comes in this kit. These little tweezers, they're really nice and precise looking, and they feel really sleek and sturdy, so you can use this to pick up the flowers. By the way, are my nails to die for? These are from Trichet. I just did an unboxing video that I'll be posting up soon because I just want to give my nails a break. I want to give my hands a break, so I just decided to throw these on, and they'll be linked down below with my discount code if you guys are interested in these. Wow, so there's like really big flowers in here, and they all have like that little leaf thing, which I like this little parsley leaf or whatever it is. It looks pretty. I love this flower right here, this really big flower. These are really cute. So that's one. This is the second batch of flowers, and I'm loving this huge sunflower in here. So there's a bunch of those in these kits, and then this like 3-leaf flower. Really loving this. This is amazing right here. It's like a nice little fall flower set. This looks pretty much just like the first batch of flowers. So you get all 3 of these with the clear polygel and the tool. So this is the first kit. And yeah, if you guys want to see a video on this, give me feedback in the comment section so I know, and I will do a video using this. The next kit we're gonna look at is Starry Night Whispers 6-color nail extension gel kit. So this is like obviously a galaxy theme. So I have not seen the colors yet. I've seen like 2 people using it, and then I saw the Makartt promotional pictures, but I just haven't actually looked at them myself. Oh, this is pretty. This is really gorgeous. Just like first impression, I'm kind of blown away by this beautiful color story. That is really nice. I was not expecting to like it so much. So I'm loving the ombre on all of the stuff. So you get the hand file. It feels really nice. This feels amazing, like the matte bottles with the ombre on it. So you get your base and top. You get an ombre polygel brush. So pretty. And I love the Makartt brushes. They last really long. With the spatula tool on the other side. And these are the 6 colors. And these are 15 milliliter bottles. Okay, so you get the dual forms in here, a thank you card, and an instruction manual, getting started guide. Very sweet, very cute, and pretty. Let's see what the dual forms are looking like. But yeah, they look pretty much like their usual shape that they've been putting out lately. This like natural curve. They're not too curved. And that's everything that the kit comes with. So I think this is gonna be a clear, oh, I'm wrong. It's not clear. It's like a duochrome. Now this, I'm so into this. I'm so into this. This is insanely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. You guys, that's a really nice color. No cap. Like, I'm so impressed with that color. I don't know if it's because I thought it was gonna be clear, and it's not. It does have like a green reflex. It has a blue. There's purples going through this. Definitely a galaxy vibe right now. I'm really glad they went darker with this, because we already have so many pastel shades from Makartt. That purple in the center is just blowing me a freaking way. Let me know what you guys think of these shades. That is the Starry Night kit. And we're gonna look at the Eberouge kit. I don't know what Eberouge means. I have not had the chance to look it up and get into it like that deep or anything. But the box is beautiful. I love this box. Beautiful freaking rainbow gradient going across here, and there's 12 colors in this box. And this box is actually on the big side. This is a pretty large box. Oh my god, I'm destroying it, no. Wow, this is gorgeous. This is a beautiful pastel rainbow. I am so in love with this. So you get another set of dual forms with this kit, the getting started guide, the beautiful freaking hand file. I don't even want to use these ones because these are so pretty. Like, this is almost touching on collector's item level. Just look at how beautiful this stuff is. I'm so in love. Another thank you note. The colors look really interesting. I'm excited to swatch these right now. The base and top, like, loving that they're matte. I don't want to mess with these either. I think I'm gonna just keep them so that they stay clean and pretty. Oh, they're so nice. I'm kind of getting like a night and day vibe. Like the Starry Night kit is nighttime and this one's like sunrise or daytime or something to that effect. So this one is definitely like, they pulled out all of the pearls from the ocean to make these two kits. And this is what they look like. Let me know which ones you guys are into. Yeah. I want to get really into these glitters here though, so you can really see that. There's like a very rainbow hollow in there. Very night sky. These up here are more so metallic-y and pearlescent-y. Alright, so for this video, I'm working on my practice hand from Red Iguana. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. I used those really long pointy nails that came from Model 1s during their Halloween sale. They had those super long nails, so I just stuck them up inside of this hand and glued them down using the She Talons glue. Seemed to work out pretty well. They were in there really sturdy. So I'm just going to begin by swirling these colors on the nail. There's really not much rhyme or reason to this, so if you watch me, you'll kind of get what I'm doing. All the excess product on this nail, I kind of move it over to the next nail. You guys will see what I mean. The only other things aside from these colors that I'm going to add into this set is going to be a couple of flakes. I have some Aurora Flakies and some gold flakes. I'm using base coat gel and slip solution today. And yeah, there's not much to this one. It's just a simple marble. I really enjoyed creating this set because I tried to do some different things. When we get over to some of the other fingers towards the end of the set, I actually swirl the polygel together off of the nail so you guys can see how that works. And I just kind of like move it over onto the nail using the spatula. I feel like I got a really detailed marble doing it that way.
It's time to quit while we're ahead. Don't think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you don't believe, don't you be like that. I will love you forever. If you don't believe in me, yeah.
You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but
You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me.
you could be around, but
You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me. Said, don't you think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you only believe me, don't you think like that. I will love you endlessly. If you only believe in me,
you could be with anyone.
So I'm going to cap the nails using the clear polygel that actually came in the boutique set, and it's a really big bottle, so I'm really happy about that. I'm going to cap all the nails the same way as this pinky nail.
you could be around, but you could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me.
You could be around, but
You could be with anyone. I could be with anyone. You're here with me. You're here with me.
And then I'm going to do my usual filing routine, not much with that.
That girl that I used to be sometime. I'm more than words. I'm beyond what I once was. I don't believe in love. Hey, hey. If I want something, I got it. Hey, hey. Oh, baby, I know you love me. Hey, hey. Cause your love, I cannot buy it. Wasn't real with you, boy. Real, wasn't real with you, boy. You won't give me too much chances. I don't care, I'm fine, I'm fancy brighter. Yeah, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling you goodbye, I'm telling you goodbye. Yeah, oh boy, I'm telling you goodbye, I'm telling you goodbye.
So after filing and washing off the dust, we're going to go ahead and just top coat these, and that's about it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know down. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to my patrons. I love you guys all so much. Make sure you keep on watching to see how these nails looked outside, and I love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye!
Chances I don't care, I'm fine, I'm fancy bright.